Alright, Dave Knight here once again, Knight Capital Management. We're looking at the TCB product. We're looking at Friday. Today is November 12th, 2010. Alright, on a Friday, I think that one and done could be a good philosophy. We tried to catch, actually we had two different opportunities today during our trading session. We pretty much were looking after the 9:30 mark. Forex Factory, by the way, shows 9:55 red report, right? So pretty much we're waiting on the sidelines until after that mark today, and then we made up our mind when we want to get in. So roughly at this period of time is when the 9:55 report comes in. Kind of a long signal showed itself here above that 200 bar line, was not filled, and therefore we did no trade on that side. And then you can see that we had a close below the 50 on this particular trade right here on the 5-minute chart, and was able to take advantage of a short move down here. Looking at the 300 trade bars in particular, let me just blow this up for you so you can see a little bit better. There we go. Our entry point, here's your 5-minute bar, right, coming down here on your 300 trade bars. Your entry point underneath here at 85.83. Entry point was roughly at 10.25, and we were all out here at 10.31. So basically 6-minute, well, I shouldn't say all out. We were initial contract series was out at first R target at. By the way, today's 1R target was 20 ticks again. So we had a $200 win here on one contract or series of whatever that first one would be for you. Let me change the color scheme here. I was working with something. So we had $200 win right here per contract taken off at that mark, and then we see that our remainder of the contracts was removed here above this mark here, little above break even today and all out. Now we weren't able to catch this trade later on, and we would explain why in the trading room, and why this particular movement here, although it looks great and has a nice downward slant here, reason why I don't get into that. Well, you'll have to be into the training class to our first training class to find out why it's dangerous to take on, even though this was a nice winning trade here, why I believe that was a tough one to get in. Anyway, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. We were able to pull out some money on a Friday. We had a really decent week trading in the room. Once again, we're looking on taking on 10 new members coming into the beginning of next year. I hope that you're considering it. We're going to have several different payment options. I'm going to hopefully start introducing that by hopefully by the 1st of December or so, once we make some final decisions about where we want to kind of price the product after this 3-month period of time. So January through March, we're going to be the initial product launch. We're going to make a price discount for our first 10 students to go through it, and for testimonials and so forth, you're going to be able to come in and get it for a lesser price. But after that, we're trying to determine what we want to price it after our first class that we're going to have go through here. So think about it as a quarter. It'll be January, February, March. So 3 full months of training. We're going to build a trading strategy, and you're going to see how to trade this and make some money, income producing, build your account, all that good stuff. Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on our next video. Bye for now.